What's up, Soul Squad? Welcome back to my kitchen. It's been a while, but we are back and we are in full effect, okay? We're about to make a good sandwich. The Super Bowl weekend is ahead of us, and my son Andrew wanted me to do this. This is a buffalo chicken sandwich with coleslaw. Oh my God, it looks so amazing. My first time trying it, and I wanted to bring this to you guys. So, see this apron? They're coming, they're going to be available really soon. And guess what? If you can't look at me here on YouTube, don't forget I am also on Roku TV. So let's get started. You're going to need some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. You're going to need about 3 eggs beaten because I'm only making 3. You're going to need some seasoned flour. I have some regular all-purpose flour. I just season it with pepper, seasoning salt, onion powder. And you're going to need some breadcrumbs. And you're going to need a nice hot pan for your chicken to fry in. And it's quick, it's simple, and it's easy. And I hope your family and friends will love it when they come over and watch the Super Bowl. So let's get started. My grease is hot. My hands been washed. Let's go to town. But first, yeah, the grease is hot. Right there, guys, that's my buffalo sauce, just like I make it when I do my buffalo wings. That's all that is. I'm making a mild sauce, 2 sticks of butter, unsalted butter, and 2 cups of hot sauce and parsley flakes. And that's just doing what it need to do for our chicken. Okay, I'm going in. My chicken is seasoned. I'm going to take my chicken thigh, place it in my flour. Now, I know I'm supposed to do the hand dry method. This is not the one that could get that together, okay? I am not coordinated. Take it in my egg batter, and it's just eggs, simple eggs. You want to do the back and the front. You want to coat it. Let it shake itself off. Toss it in that breadcrumb. Since my grease still getting hot, I'm going to let that sit. We're going to do another one. Flour. And remember, get your favorite seasoning. Your favorite seasoning you like to season your chicken with. Still season your chicken and your flour. Boneless, skinless chicken thighs, guys. Get it all in that egg. You got to flip it once or twice. Shake it off. Get it in the breadcrumbs. Front and back. We're going to take this first one. You ready? Go in that grease. My stove is on a medium high. Let them cook into golden brown. I'm going to stir up my buffalo sauce. I'm going to dip this last chicken. And we're going to be right back. So, guys, we're back. Look at that chicken. About 6 minutes on each side. Remember, this is a boneless chicken thigh. Look at that. That looks so good. The buffalo sauce is ready. That's just letting the butter melt, stirring it up. And remember with buffalo sauce, the hotter you like it, the less butter you use. The milder you like it, the more butter you use. And they'll come out perfect each time. So we're going to let these cook about 6 minutes, guys. I'm going to come back with that last piece, and we're going to put our sandwich together. Guys, look at my chicken on my baker's rack. It came out so gorgeous. So what we're going to do now, we're going to, look at me, place it in that buffalo sauce. I still got my last piece cooking. I got my hamburger bun. Look at that, gorgeous. You got that crispy crunch of that chicken, but I can't even flip it because I need to hold this. Listen, sit in that sauce for a few minutes. Keep flipping it about twice. Let it sit in that buffalo sauce. Remember, it depends on how mild you want your chicken or how spicy, on how much butter you use in your sauce. When we come back, we're going to put this whole sandwich together. Okay, guys, we are back. Let's put this sandwich together. I even toasted the bread. Cinnamon. I keep saying cinnamon, sesame seed hamburger rolls, whatever hamburger rolls that you want to use. I let the chicken stay in that buffalo sauce just to soak it up. And if you like, you don't all have to be buffalo. Like someone in my house, they want the buffalo sauce. So we just have it fried right here for them. So we're going to take our coleslaw. And remember, you can get real big rolls or whatever, you know, that your local store may have. There you go. And I toasted it just because you want that bread, when the juices of the coleslaw soak up that bun, you don't want your bun all soggy. So toast it. I'm going to go in with this little one right here. And then, come on now, it's buffalo sauce. You got to have you some hamburger pickles to put on there. It helps with the coolness, to cool your mouth down. How many of you think you do here? Like 3? There you go. And then, let's not forget to top it all off. Who can't do buffalo without ranch dressing? And there you go. This is your sandwich, guys. Now, I can't even say sandwich. Your fried chicken buffalo sandwich. So this is a great sandwich for your Super Bowl weekend, and your family and friends will love it. Guys, until next time, thanks for coming to my kitchen. Like, share, and subscribe. Love you, Soul Squad.